way, what is JSON? So JSON is a style with many symbols used by website and apps. So it has curly brackets, curly square brackets, and quotes is there, and also more comma is there. It is no longer but very organized. It is longer, but it is very detailed, organized thing. So let's see one example. Same list of the toppers as we check in the tones. Now we will here you can see how much large amount of data or a token or a character you can write here to utilize all the things. Uh, but in the tools we can minimize all the things in just like a Excel sheet format, like the student name and number and marks. But here you can see the format is totally different, and you have to write like this with the like commas. You can use the curly bracket, you can use the square bracket, here you can use the commas. So this is how more symbol, more space and more reading, and this take like lot of time also. Now we will understand the one case study of JSON video game for profile system. So a video game shows your profile, full profile name, age, level, skills, item collected. So this is little bit complicated, but in the tool cannot handle so many layers. So this is one of the drawback of the tool. Tool cannot handle the complex layer, but JSON is perfectly managing all the things in the better way. So why JSON work here? Can hold nested information, support multiple lists inside list, structure like a proper record. So this is why JSON is also popular if you work with on a complex type of multi-layer things information. So JSON is perfectly work here. Now moving to the next, and we will try to understand, take the another case study of the JSON. So let's suppose you are working with a weather app, and what type of data will show. So the weather app shows the temperature, humidity, wind speed, hourly forecast, weekly forecast. All this type of data comes in a JSON format because it is a very organized, supports deep level, perfect for apps. Now here you can see the example. So you need a like long format. So here you can see the example. So today, what is the temperature, what is the humidity, what is the forecast time. So like what is the time in the morning, what is the time at the noon, what the temperature at the noon. So here you can see you need a large amount of data sets and all. So this is how you can see here, you need a lot of data and all. Now, why JSON is good? Now you have to understand why JSON is good. Perfect for complex data, apps, website, games. All use it. You can show layers inside layers, and very universal, works everywhere. When JSON is not good, when data is simple, when you need fewer tokens, when reading needs to be fast, and when you don't want extra symbols. So in that scenario, you can use tone. Now moving to the next, and we will just compare in a summary way. So the features of the tone and JSON we can revise again. So JSON is looks like a school table. Uh, so here you can see the tone is looks like a school table, and whereas the JSON is looks like a story with symbols. So tone is easy to read, and sometimes JSON is hard to read. So the length of the tone is very short, and the length of the JSON is long. And tune is best for simple data calculation and all, but JSON is good for complex data. If you are working with complex data, so you have to try more with JSON. And basically it is tune is used in AI training, listing and registered, but JSON is good for if you are working or developing apps, website and games. So these are the main comparison. Now we will understand the some explanation with example. So here is a case study. Let's suppose you are working your image. So now we'll understand one more example, or with the now we will understand one more example. Now we are going to taking one more example. Imagine your teacher tells you write about two friends. Using tone, you can write in a very short tokens like friend to ID, name and hobby. Sam, what is Sam doing? The hobby of Sam is dancing. What is Tara is doing? She is singing. So, with the very short amount of code and information, you can write all the things. But in JSON, you need like a large amount of the tokens, large amount of the characters. So both are correct. So tool is shorter and JSON is more detailed. So if you are a totally beginner and you have no idea about like how you can create career in AI agent, and how you can create a successful automated AI agent, no code AI agent, and if you want to like learn how to do the prompt engineering in the right way, so just follow me and I will help you out to learn the prompt engineering in the right way. Just comment me prompt and I will give you a free workshop on prompt engineering, because AI is a future and prompt engineering is the key to success in AI. Thank you.